Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into DesignSpace for branding, full guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for DesignSpace. Press the Enter key to navigate to the DesignSpace homepage. Once the page loads, look for the Login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your email address and password. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, enter your password in the provided password field. Make sure to double-check your email and password for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. If you've entered your login credentials correctly, click the Submit or Login button. Wait a moment as the system verifies your credentials. Once verified, you will be redirected to your DesignSpace dashboard. Here, you will find all the tools and options available for branding. Familiarize yourself with the layout of your dashboard. You are now logged into DesignSpace and ready to begin your branding project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.